Are you searching for a low-risk investment option that capitalizes on market opportunities? Let me introduce you to something called arbitrage funds. In this video, I'll explain what they are, how they work, and whether they might be a good fit for your investment strategy. Arbitrage funds are a type of mutual fund that takes advantage of price differences in the stock market to generate returns. Fund managers buy a stock at a lower price in one market and sell it at a higher price in another market or at a future date. The difference in price, known as arbitrage, is where these funds can earn their profits. Here's how they work. Arbitrage funds primarily invest in equity and derivative markets. For example, if a stock is priced at 100 in the cash market and rupees 102 in the futures market, the fund manager will buy it in the cash market and sell it in the futures, thereby locking in a 2 rupee profit. This strategy is considered low risk because the buy and sell transactions are executed simultaneously, minimizing exposure to market fluctuations. So why should you consider arbitrage funds? Let's look at why. Firstly, low risk. These funds are less volatile compared to pure equity funds. Second, tax advantage. Since they're treated as equity funds, you benefit from favorable tax treatment, especially for long-term gains. Third, steady returns. While the returns may not be as high as equity funds, they're generally stable and better than traditional savings accounts. So before investing in arbitrage funds, consider the following points. Returns depend on market conditions. The opportunities for arbitrage rely on market volatility. So in more stable markets, the potential returns may be lower. Second, expense ratio. Like all mutual funds, arbitrage funds charge a management fee. Ensure this fee does not significantly reduce your returns. Liquidity. While these funds are generally liquid, they may have a lock-in period ranging from a few days to a week for withdrawals. Arbitrage funds are an excellent choice for conservative investors seeking stable returns with minimal risk. They're particularly suitable for short-term investments or as an alternative to liquid funds. Always make sure to research, compare the performance of different funds and determine if this aligns with your investment goals.